Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to record a quick ethical comparison review between these two trading platforms, which is TradeZella and TraderSync. So let's quickly dive into it, but for that, know that this video is based on collective data review. So let's get started. TradeZella is perfect for traders who want deep insight into psychology and performance. It offers playbook, trade replay, and mindset tracking that help you understand your strength and mistake. However, it has limited broker support and can feel pricey for beginners. TraderSync, on the other hand, focused on automation and data. It supports more brokers, has sleek reporting tools, and gives clearer analytics out of the box. But the key features like back testing and trade replay are locked behind higher plan. So in conclusion, TradeZella is better for learning and discipline, while TradeSync win for automation and convenience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.